We started out with some fog this morning, but we quickly cleared out, and now we've got lots of sun. It's gorgeous outside, and thankfully it looks like we're going to be keeping that. It looks like for a while. In fact, tonight, yes, it's going to get a little cold. Temperatures will eventually be dropping down into the 40s, but gosh, that cold front coming in tonight, it's going to come through dry, but that won't be the case forever. We do have another rainmaker in the forecast, but we did make it to 71 degrees today and the normal 63, so we're doing pretty good. The record 88, we were nowhere near there, and today we've been rain-free. This is our DFW camera. That sun is slowly setting and it is very pretty outside. Temperatures still in the upper 60s to low 70s. We've got 71 in Athens, 63 in Greenville, 69 in Fort Worth, and 69 degrees right now in Denton. Satellite and radar, we've got mostly clear skies, a few clouds off to the north and east, and we're going to stay mostly clear despite a cold front coming in late this evening. That cold front that will be dropping through, that's actually associated with the storm system that's basically over Minnesota. You can see the snow showers with it up there as well. That's exactly where it's going to stay, up there. Now, if you are doing any traveling over the next couple of days, I think you're going to be just fine. So again, the cold front coming in tonight, it's coming in dry. It's going to be a chilly start to tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon, temperatures make it back into the mid and upper 50s. We even got some low 60s down to the south. And then looking at Thanksgiving Day itself, Texas, we look good. We look dry. We look mild, but off to the north and east, if you happen to be traveling around the Great Lakes, well, there could be some snow showers up there. And then the far northwest Pacific, it looks a little wet. We're talking about mostly rain, but the farther north you get to that, closer to the Canadian border, well, there's also going to be a chance of snow. Certainly not the case here, though. On Thanksgiving Day for Texas, we are looking at a temperature of about 60 degrees, but the farther south you go, temperatures will be a little bit warmer. You can see clouds coming in from the west on Thanksgiving Day, but we're going to stay rain-free all across Texas on Thanksgiving Day itself. But changes are on the way. Now, the first change is actually happening tonight. We've got that cold front moving in. It will come through dry. Temperatures tomorrow will be chilly. Tomorrow afternoon, though, looks nice and cool, looks dry. We've got that ridge of high pressure, keeping things nice and quiet for the next couple of days. But that next storm system does arrive this weekend. As of right now, we've got the cold front moving in. Sometime it looks like late Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. This one will bring some showers, possibly some thunderstorms, but it will certainly bring in some significantly cooler air behind it. I think by Sunday, we're dropping down at least into the 50s, but there's a possibility that we don't even make it out of the 40s. We are trending significantly cooler. And another storm system comes in by early next week. This one also looks like it's going to bring us some rain, possibly even some snow out in the panhandle. With that being said, we're talking about the reinforcing shot of colder air, so temperatures may be staying in the 40s and 50s for at least a couple of days by the time that main cold front comes in. So for now, nice and quiet. Tomorrow, 8 degrees below normal, but temperatures start to go up all the way through Saturday. But once that cold front comes in, temperatures go back down. So we're looking at temperatures almost at least 10 degrees below normal by early next week. But Thanksgiving Day itself, going back to that, again, looking at upper 50s to low 60s. It looks dry, it looks cool, it looks nice, no problems weather-wise. Tonight, mostly clear, chilly and dry. Temperatures drop down into the low 40s tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon, a beautiful day, mid 50s. We're going to have a light wind during the day. On Thanksgiving Day, we're back to around 60 degrees. By Friday, low 60s. We've got a 30% coverage of rain and storms Friday night, but by Saturday, at least a 50% coverage. It looks pretty likely at that point we're going to have some rain around during the day. Sunday does look dry, but it looks cooler. On Monday, we've got that high of 50. You can also see that next storm comes in, brings another chance of rain. Temperatures drop down into the 40s for highs by Tuesday, and we stay cool. The second half of that 14-day, it continues to trend cooler. There are a couple of days of rain, but it doesn't look terribly unsettled. Jason, back to you.